Sony Digital8 Camcorder. TRV-140E Europe version. It works in full system. It has an original lens cap. There is 20 times optical zoom and 560x combined zoom. It's wide open at f1.4 in whole zoom range. There is stereo mic. Here we have halogen lamp. With this switch you can physically disable IR filter. In addition, you can toggle slow shutter. With this too you can record in zero lux lighting environment. Here we have IR blaster and IR receiver. There is recording time and battery indicator. If screen is closed, you can use black and white CRT viewfinder. You can easily change its position. You can set the viewfinder focus. Here we have menu dial and focus, backlight, fader buttons. There is speaker and control buttons. Here we can turn on a camera. This is how we eject the cassette tape. Here's how we can close it. These are playback buttons. There is photo button and zoom lever. If you press this button, camera will record 7-second still picture on a tape. With this button we can open LCD screen. You can use this button to record. With backlight button, you can compensate shadows. As you can see, footage with steady shot is very stable. This is how IR night shot mode works. This is how color slow shutter works. Thanks to these modes we can reduce noise, but in infrared night shot mode we lose colors. In the slow shutter mode, image gets blurry. By using both, we can film in pitch dark environments.